My name is Sharice Harper. I'm the office manager at Drs. Harper, Gilmore and Associates. We started working with DMA in 2006 because we recognized it was time for a change. We were growing as a practice and we needed to have additional support. We're a small business, it's a family-run business, and even though I have a wireless background and I'm very tech savvy, I knew that I could not do it all. I needed a great partner and DMA was the solution. So we've been here since 1997. It was time for a new, so we decided to remodel our office. With the remodel, what we wanted to do is introduce the latest and greatest technology, and DMA was my soundboard for me, and they were able to make everything that I asked for a reality. So our office that's brand new has the latest technology, and patients are wowed when they come in here.
I'm Dr. Robert Gilmore, working here at Drs. Harper and Gilmore Family Dentistry. And we've been able to move forward, get a lot of things accomplished, and DMA has done a great job of helping us along. It's great for patient education. We have the screens and what have you, so we can sit down and show our patients on the screen, treatment plan, x-rays, everything they need to know. Our motto's always been, an educated patient is a much better patient because they know what's going on. So as a business owner, we have to admit, myself and my partner, Dr. Harper, DMA has done a great job for us regarding our billing, accounts receivables. We get those in real time. The billing goes out very smoothly.
They helped us become more efficient by introducing us to Weave, our phone software system, and Open Dental, our dental software management system. Instead of our representative calling patients, we now have a system that reminds the patients of their dental appointments, which gave me back time and money. I was able to allow the computers to do those things and better utilize a superstar in a different role in our business. I recommend DMA hands down. They're very timely in their response. They're solution oriented. I can contact them and I'm gonna get, not only are they gonna hear me, because that's important to me, they're gonna come up with a solution immediately. DMA has just been a phenomenal partner.